This is the Witches Brew Eyeshadow Palette. It is from Lurella. They sent us this in a mystery box with lots of other palettes earlier this year, and we're still working our way through the file. You hear any noises? What? Do you hear any noises? No. Are you hearing things? Well, there's a noise or two. Are y'all hearing anything? I don't hear anything. I think she's gone bonkers. Or worse yet, the spirits have gotten a hold of her. These are the fun shades that are in this palette. Yes, they are fun. And there is a mirror, but last time I looked in a mirror in a Halloween palette, I didn't like it. So I'm not looking in this mirror. These are the shades that are in this palette. Oh wow, these are nice and fun. I want to do swatches. Okay, here we go in the swatching department. Nice job in the swatching department, Miss Fatima the Camel. Thank you. I enjoy swatching. I also like to make eye looks, which means I need... Oh yes, there they are. Easy on my fingers. I guess this means that Miss Fatima is going to do some eye looks for us today. Careful to not get your feathers into the eyeshadow. Let's see what she creates. To achieve this first look from the Witches Brew palette, Miss Fatima started out up here with Boo and placed that under the brow bone and into what would be the crease area. She then utilized Stone on this half of the eyelid, and then she went for Brew on the other half of the eyelid, blended them a little bit together, and then a healthy dollop of Witch right in the center, thus providing a bit of a shimmery effect. She does like a good shimmer. To achieve this look, Miss Fatima again started out up here with Boo under the brow bone and into what would be the crease area. She then went over to Troll and applied that from the inner corner and across the lid. She did find that Troll is a very light shade and required many times to dip back into the color in order to get it to show. She then went all the way up here to Spooky, utilizing that on the other side of the lid, blended them together a bit, and then dipped back into Troll again to get some more color, and then went over here to Possessed and used that in the center, thus achieving a bit of a fun sparkly shimmer. Those were some festive eye looks. Thank you. Which ones did you like the best? Comment down below. I liked them both. Me too. You sure you're not hearing anything? Oh no, not again. Well, maybe I hear a little something. Like, comment, subscribe, notification bell, all of that fun stuff. And we hope to see you soon in another video, unless the spooky spirits come and take us away. You never know where we might go. I think I'm eating your feathers. Was not the snack I had intended.